Guys, so the new year's starting. It not really start. I do it yes, Jamari. It's after 6 now, and Jerome I check up something. We just come off of the road. We never show none of that because not up on the road this year now. Come, Jamari. Oh, alright. Yes, so Jerome I chef up some fried dumpling and ackee.
We found the ackee. It's actually in salt. Didn't see that part.
You go find ackee in a supermarket.
And
so
something look like a saltfish.
And I'm boiling saltfish now. And you have a fried dumpling them over there, so bubbles. Like a seasoning a packet stuff. Yeah. Green banana over there, so plantain over there, so yum. Anything you don't want to buy, we have it.
Just the fried dumpling and the ackee.
The weather is sweet. Yes, people, so we must chef up something there now. You ready for the new year? What's your new year's message?
I think I'm ready to tell the new year's message. No, wow.
You want one?
Yeah.
No, what is your new year's message to people?
Message to them. What's my message? I'm heading to the new year with God, first and foremost, because without Him nothing is possible. Secondly, you need to make some plans, why you open my nose?
No.
Have some plans, some aim. Just don't go through the next 365 like that. Have some purposeful. 365 days now, you're at 365. Yeah, 365. Have some purposeful plans, ideas, something you work towards. You understand? Make sure you make the most out of the year. Challenges will come, but make the best of them. Make opportunity or try to find the opportunity in those challenges. And go through this. Tell yourself the things you never attained last year. Put out more effort and go feed this year. Do we have to? Stop following people and listen to people in terms of negativity. And be positive and do what God says you ought to do. And once you're convinced that the Lord has spoken to you, then get that done. God, is it?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, for now.
Amen. See you. And now may the saving grace of Yes, baby? Where are you going? No, I don't want to come. I don't want to come, baby. So, when the ackee bubble, I come back and show you. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. Hey. People see my out material from the visual.
So come on, listen to what Yes, sir. What have this enough?
Yes? Of course. You want something tomorrow?
No, you want a saltfish, man. I'm going to tell you now, sir.
So, is saltfish too much or too little?
No, too much, but you don't look now. Like a shark.
Jamari. Plug in, plug out, Alexa.
Boy. Papi.
Alexa, you alright?
No, Jamar just unplugged me. Where you going to go though?
Boy, I come with Alexa. Give me. Give me.
See?
Sure. If I plug out Alexa,
I'm tired.
you see you plug it out here? Plug it in. That's not a good job.
People in South Africa don't come in no bone of them, no skin pan them. Nothing for clean for the stuff you boil. No lie, nothing come on them. Then basically strip out the belly of the saltfish and package it. I'm sure like a salt pan. Still boil it 2 times though. Come on, just too salty. But if I boil it too much, I tell you say I'll just try some paper. Sure, chat buddy man, try some paper.
Alexa, please, you sheltered me from harm.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
To listen to Spotify, enable the skill and link your account.
Okay.
I've sent the details to your Alexa app.
No matter with it.
I love money too much. Alexa, what is Aki?
The ackee is a fruit that is a member of the Sophandaceae family and is native to tropical West Africa. Did that answer your question?
No, I'm talking about Jamaican Aki.
Then where they come from?
Feedback.
Alexa, what is saltfish? Will I be getting money for the new year?
The official currency of the United Kingdom
Alexa,
is the
bye.
Bye for now.
Yes. Ask you about money, you're telling me about official currency. What is wrong with you, girl? What do you think of the massage? What massage is this?
Yeah, no, the saltfish are shrinking.
It's going to make sense to pull the next Aki then. Right, last. Sorry, I'm taking up on my couple. Smell nice, doesn't it? Alright, so dumpling just done. Just take out those and then go and soak up on the paper towel. That can look more than what I think it would actually be.
Let me tell you just the one.
Are you sure say I can don't cook already?
Oh, Jesus, you know, look soft.
Me no know. You don't feel selfish. Father God, if I barely run to bed, why you take care of that thing? How can I say this? But like you want more color, man.
Sure. My belly no business with color in there.
Yes, my belly works like
See, I
that.
put more of that one.
Don't know the pan Aki them. Look how big I put money. Oh, why, chef? Where are you?
Me no say nothing. And so when me a cook your dung in a minute back, I tell me about this, that, and the other.
Me. Alright, so guys, I'm going to do this about a couple minutes. Like it's going to simmer down. Let me tell you something. That's it.
Get into it. Ooh. 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 Stop that. You must be ashamed of yourself.
Is it her?
Bubble like yeah, bubble.
So people want to come here and pay purple on them break and I can't afford that to make right now.
What you say?
Purple onion them. When it's market in Jamaica, these onions are very expensive. So since I came here, I've been using only these. I don't want no white onion to cook with. You understand? Pure purple onion.
It tastes different?
It does have the little.
It tastes no different.
No man,
Just
I kind of
color.
more. See when I cut it up, it burns the eye even more than the other one. I think it has. No, it's stronger.
Okay.
Really, a little stronger than the white one.
Okay.
But other than that, you actually make your pot look pretty.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a purple onion to the thing. Yeah. I'm looking at that, so I'm telling you, don't play, you know, I broke it up.
Yeah, baby.
But you know, but we don't bring them again, sir.
You're not big old cow now.
No,
Big old teeth.
I have a sword for broke my dumpling, man.
Come and break it here. Try it up and you eat.
Go ahead, man.
Try it up and put it on your plate for you and you eat. So you aki done? Okay.
You know, say cook already?
Me no know. Me never did. I never put it in my thing.
How do you fuck with the
You put it in the sink.
Seriously?
More fat?
I give 2 moments and then I go take it out. You can't have the pot and the patch of my face, no? So you have a pot, sir. This is what you No. Puppy tells me to buy. Oh God, puppy no one. I'm going to do it ways. I can waste many more fight tonight, man. I'll try me then 2 peg the first. If you make them 2 peg, then I get no more. Yeah, that's how I do it, okay? So your meal will cost approximately £35. Psst, £35, please. In this restaurant you pay, then you eat. Hello. £35. Alright guys, this woman knows that the food actually nice, and I can taste it and then she will decide.
Dumpling soft. Half and nice. Let's see. So I want me eat it aki first to see if my belly will run.
No, it runs so quick. This alright? You know what?
Because my taste buds work.
No, because I cooked that one. Right, Dung Dung? Okay.
People, my eye don't eat like in stush. Oh.
Me eat it.
It's right, my eye.
I think I forward this week, I can just taste some.
No. Stushy bushy.
No, this food is good. Right, yeah. I see Aki nothing now. You know Aki, color now. I think that try that.
Okay, I see them. Yes, it's already. Tamari Maya dropping. That's him. You see?
Come from
Hmm?
Where did you come from?
Off of your tree. I St. Mary.
The man else are growing up by Aki.
Yeah, you jackfruit.
19?
Mm-hmm.
But that probably tastes good.
Uncle nearly done, you know, people. You want to say place empty.
Don't look at the camera. I sell a cat in Jamaica? I never see it.
Supermarket.
How people have food that cat come from?
You know, I eat this.
But this is better. When they freeze, you difference unless it is.
Poker.
Yeah. How much on video you see? People can stop sending their food come foreign. They want money from them now.
That me no do.
Everything with Jamaica down here.
Money they want now.
Yeah. They stop selling the breadfruit. I don't know Aki.
May I help you?
I don't want it.
Yeah, go eat
I'm
it.
gonna eat it.
Me still a go.
People, man, I'm proud of myself. The ackee is actually nice. The
I know
ackee is
you make it
ackee.
ackee.
Of course, ackee was the fresh ackee in our salt that. I mean, have to make it, bring it to life. You know, I'm grateful. Tomorrow I want to see what's happening.